So hey guys, we're getting closer to Puerto Rico. So we got nice sunny weather out here. It's really nice. Now you see the people more outside. The ship is not rocking back and forth anymore, and we got the sun. We can feel it. It's nice and warm, and yeah, we're happy about that. Good morning guys, today is Saturday and we're having really bad winds and getting rough and tough weather, and I don't think can you hear the wind. We're going like side to side and it's pretty bad up here. Let me just show you some of the waters in the pool are going up. And we going side to side like I said, and the ocean is pretty upset this morning, so it's nice. They're trying to get the water out of the floor, but yeah, we're getting rough and tough winds here. No, it's a video. Alright, now we're inside again. Oh, that was pretty tough. Pretty tough. So, anyways, now we're going to exercise now. So we're here at the exercise room. Alright, RJ's on the treadmill. Stephanie's really sick. Look at his face. You threw up. You feel better now? Oh, good. Stephanie hasn't thrown up, but she took a pill, so it should work.
I feel nauseous, but I'm not throwing up yet. My head hurts.
I asked you if you wanted a pill.
We're going back to the hotel.
Don't get it worse. Don't get it feeling worse.
We're going back to the hotel because I need to get...
He wants to change, too. Plus, you gotta get John.
Every time it goes this, I'm like...
I know, each direction it rocks.
Everybody's feeling sick
I need another one.
because of the ship rocking too much.
Looking at the ocean doesn't bother
It doesn't look bad, yeah.
It's feeling it. That's what
I know, I feel worse when I'm in the cabin and don't know what's happening. At least there's something you can see outside.
Looking at the ocean is not so bad.
No, the ocean looks good.
But like a big storm is coming up and slapping us. A big waves are slapping us. It doesn't look so bad.
Yeah, but when we left, it wasn't like that.
Yeah, it was...
You could tell, yeah, it's smoother. Everybody's trying to eat because they're very seasick. And so we have Stephanie sick. John seems to feel better today.
I'm busy.
Tabby's better.
Little, but if I get up, hopefully I have both.
There you go.
You never got sick. RJ seems to be better.
I can't wait to kiss the ground.
I can't wait.
David threw up, so he feels better. Caleb, you feel good? Caleb hasn't gotten sick at all.
It's not that tight.
Caleb's the only one that hasn't gotten sick.
that feeling.
And I'm not really sick either. I was just sick to my stomach because
You
I
know
ate
that
too
feeling, RJ, where you're so nauseous, you can't throw up yet, but you can feel the acid in your stomach coming up your throat.
Yeah.
That's where I'm at.
I hate that feeling.
I feel the acid in
You
my
have your
throat.
mark bag on you?
Yeah.
But how about nauseous in your stomach?
I don't feel it.
Is that better?
So in my stomach, I feel it just right here coming up.
Well, that's good. The nausea in your stomach is worse.
But then I'm dizzy too.
Did you take your meclizine, John?
I gave it to him when I got in the room.
You don't wait till you get sick. You have to take it before.
I was fine this morning. Even when we went upstairs to go find you at the gym, I was fine. It's when I got on the treadmill, that was it.
Yeah, the heat exhaustion too.
Oh, but I felt going like this as I'm trying to go on the treadmill on the incline.
Some good food here, but I don't know if I can eat. I'm trying to wait to eat. Look at John's plate.
Is this this? Yeah. They just had raisins.
So hey guys, we're getting closer to Puerto Rico. So we got nice sunny weather out here. It's really nice. Now you see the people more outside. The ship is not rocking back and forth anymore, and we got the sun. We can feel it. It's nice and warm, and yeah, we're happy about that. So we're here, and the kids want to play Just Dance in the Wii U. I mean the Wii, right? It's the Wii, not the Wii U. And so Caleb's right there, trying to get it to work. And then we have the rest of them here. Yes. Oh, sorry. Yeah. They got it to work.
Did he blow on it? 'Cause he did a good job then.
Who blew on it? Oh. All right. So Stephanie is playing Just Dance over there with a little girl on the big screen. This is the big screen. It's Tabitha and Stephanie's turn. So this is my soup for dinner today. So here's everybody. There's David and Richie and Tabitha eating bread. And the rest of them are in a different table.
They bring my appetizer.
Huh?
They bring my appetizer. What do you think on it?
I know. Here is my salad. Looks so good. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Here is my dinner, and it's seafood bruschetta. And it looks like there's fish and squid and tomatoes. There's a yellow sauce here. And I can't wait to dig in. This is our dessert, tiramisu.
Don't take me.
Hey guys, we're over here waiting for a celebrity dance-off game to start, and we're here at the one of the lounges, and everybody's just around waiting for the game to start. So guys, I'm in the room now. It's pretty late now. It's time to go to bed. But the guys decided that they were hungry, so they went to the buffet upstairs that is probably going on till, I don't know, midnight maybe. So I am like really, I've had it. I've eaten for like a month straight already, and I just can't eat anymore. And I gained some weight, I know that. So I decided I'm not gonna go. So the guys went. Steph and John and Tabitha and Kayla went to bed in their room, and it was just Richie, RJ, and David that went to the buffet. So yeah guys, it's just been an adventure. I love it. It's been really good. I mean, the ship was rocky for a while there, but it's much better today. I'm going to try to edit. I mean, we haven't had any Wi-Fi here to upload the videos, but when we get to Puerto Rico, we're gonna try to do that, and like that we don't have so many to do when we get home. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna end the vlog right now. It's Saturday, and we got one more day at sea, which is tomorrow, and Monday we arrive at Puerto Rico, and we're gonna go shopping. So yeah, thanks a lot for watching, guys. Give this video a thumbs up if you loved it, and I'll see you in my next video, which will be tomorrow, Sunday, and we will be at sea, and we'll be you know, having fun and doing the things we gotta do. Things that, you know, the ship has to offer, some shows and different things like that. But we get the itinerary in the morning. So, thanks guys. I'll see you. Bye. We just came out into the deck, and we're just looking out on the water. Looking at the water on the deck. And it's windy out.